Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are tiny, brown or golden-colored seeds that come from the flax plant. These seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Here are some reasons why you should consider adding flax seeds to your daily diet. Firstly, flax seeds are high in fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and can help prevent constipation. Eating a diet rich in fiber has also been linked to a reduced risk of developing certain cancers and heart disease. Secondly, flax seeds are a great source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. For those who don't consume fish or other sources of omega-3s, flax seeds are a great alternative. Lastly, flax seeds contain lignans, which are a type of phytoestrogen that may help reduce the risk of breast cancer and improve overall hormonal balance. Overall, adding flax seeds to your diet is an easy and delicious way to improve your health. So why not try incorporating flax seeds into your meals today?